I'm gonna show you how great I am.
And shot it, got the vision in focus. Moments freeze every scene so ferocious. Frame it, stack it, the work's explosive. And shot it, the name's where the hope is.
Day 3 of Malta, and I'm just waiting for the bus to head from Malta to Valletta. I'm going to have a little mooch for a couple of hours. I'm going to hit all the touristy spots. I don't know how much time realistically I have to hit all the touristy spots, but I know I'm going to hit at least some of them. I'm jumping on the ferry from Valletta to Sliema, then I'm meeting with my friend Tony, have a little walk with his dog, and have a catch up with him.
Time stands still, echoes in the breeze, and shot it, immortalized with ease.
Finally, I've arrived in Valletta, and as soon as I got off the bus, I spotted this gorgeous fountain behind me. I had to get some drone shots in and a little bit of B-roll footage as well. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. First things first, I need a beer and I need a coffee.
Mind zoomed in while the world stays blurry. Angles in the arsenal, no rush, no hurry. Steady hands, storytelling through the shutter sound. From the sky to the ground, legendary all around. Lights, camera, action, it's not just a caption. Ants grind, got that instant satisfaction. Flipping shadows to glory and cinematic traction. Making simple moments feel like abstract reactions.
I can't start my day officially without having a beautiful Americano. I saw they do CBD coffee. Now, I've never had CBD coffee before. Let's see what effect it has on me. I'm going to have this coffee. I'm going to film some more drone footage, and then I'm going to go for a swim.
Lens sharp enough to slice through the daylight. And behind the cam, mastermind in the frame tight.
Hey,
I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody.
Lens sharp enough to slice through the daylight. And behind the cam, mastermind in the frame tight. Snapping worlds in a flash, freeze time in a clip. From the golden hour glow to them city lights lit. And shot it, got the vision in focus. Moments freeze every scene so ferocious. Frame it, stack it, the work's explosive. And shot it, the name's where the hope is.
The Upper Baraka Gardens are absolutely beautiful, so if you come to Valletta, you have to check these out. The views are absolutely amazing.
Valletta the muse, her beauty untamed, and captures it all, eternal and famed. City on a hill where the waters shine, and it's got the eye framing the divine, every shadow.
I have just found the perfect spot to go for a quick dip, and it just happens to be down the steps from the cafe. It's not exactly the cleanest spot. There's a dead pigeon floating in the water.
Fucking pigeons from that, innit? Oh, that's minging. Is it dead?
But it'll have to do. I need a nice, refreshing dip to kind of like maximize the dopamine levels, because I've had a can of beer, a really strong can of beer.
And shot, immortalized with ease.
And I had black Americano as well. And my dopamine and serotonin levels are pretty much at their peak, but I know a nice, cold, refreshing dip in the salt water filled with iodine is just going to send my dopamine levels into absolute overload, so I just cannot resist. Just about to get in the water now, and I'm going to try my very best to stay clear of the dead pigeon.
And shot it, capturing the divine, frames of glory moments frozen in time. Grace to the maker, the water's him. Valletta's waves shine with light so dim. Through his lens flows eternal praise, every shot a prayer, every film ablaze. Diving deep where the light rays gleam.
That swim was extraordinarily
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb?
refreshing. I feel absolutely amazing, and onwards with our journey. I even had a chance to chat to one of the locals who's originally from Valletta, but he has lived in Scotland for 27 years.
I live in Scotland.
Oh right, okay. Are you originally from Malta?
I'm from here.
Oh, amazing.
27 years in Scotland.
Why on earth would you leave this paradise to move to Scotland and then stay there for 27 years? It's just mind-boggling to me. That CBD coffee is definitely hitting the right spot. To be honest, I'm used to THC and CBD simultaneously, but CBD on its own with a little bit of caffeine, mwah, beautiful. I've just found the perfect spot to launch my drone. It's nice and quiet, away from all the tourists. It's got the gorgeous view behind me. It's got a gorgeous view all around me, 360. So we should get some really stunning drone shots of Valletta, and I'm so excited to get them for you guys so you can see this gorgeous and unbelievable city.
Domes that kiss the Maltese skies ain't shot it through an angel's eyes. Cobblestone veins running through the soul. Every shot a story to unfold. The lens a cathedral, prayers in the frame. The spirit moves, calling out my name. Valletta the muse, her beauty untamed, and captures it all, eternal and fame.
Perfect lighting conditions to get these gorgeous drone shots for you guys. I hope you enjoy them. What a day it has been in Valletta. I think I must have walked like 10 kilometers at least, and now just jumped on the boat to Sliema to meet my friend Tony, and yeah, let's see how long it takes.
Through the lens, the light begins to dance. Valletta whispers, here's your second chance. City on a hill where the waters shine. Ants got the eye, framing the divine. Every shadow, every beam of grace. Valletta sings, heaven's in this place.
Oh, it's amazing to feel the sea breeze on your skin, in your hair, in your mustache.
Perfect.
Diving deep where the light rays gleam. Fathoms of faith meet an endless dream. Sea foam whispers secrets untold. Ants work eternal, pure and bold. Holy waves cradle his soul. Infinite power makes the story whole. Click of the shutter, blessings unfurl. Ants shot at painting this blue world. Grace to the maker, the water's him. Valletta's waves shine with light so dim. Through his lens flows eternal praise. Every shot a prayer, every film ablaze. Salt in the air, joy in his chest. Glory of the Creator, his only quest. Frames in motion, God's grace to impart. Every scene he shoots, a work of art.